make sure you know that when you see the word directly proportional, you know that k is multiplied by. Whereas if it's inverse, it's k divided by something. So in this case, k is multiplied by q to the power of 4. Now if we write this equation in proper mathematical terms, P will be equals to k q 4. You notice that in this case, they say for a particular value of q, the value of p was found to be 12. So what we are supposed to do here is actually this. So when p equals to 12, the algebra q will still remain as q. Now as in all the proportion question, what you have to do is actually to express k in terms of the other terms first. Now the thing is, if the value of q is doubled, something will change in the value of k. So I'll write new value of k equals to 12 over. Now when q is doubled, from the q here, it actually becomes 2q. This power 4 will actually be attached to this 2q, and when you simplify, it becomes 12 over 2 to the power of 4 will give you 16 q to the power of 4. So what you have to do in this case is really to sub this new value of k back into the original equation of p that you have found at first, and this is the following equation that you will actually get by substituting the new k into the original equation. What can you do here is actually to cancel off q to the power of 4, and you will get the new value of p to be 12 over 16. Simplified into simplest form, you will get 3 over 4. So the new value of p is actually 3 over 4. So in conclusion, for all proportion question, it's good for you to always find your k first, and when there is changes in any of the algebra value, you find your value of the new k and you sub back into the original equation. After you sub back into the original equation, there will be a high chance of the algebra being cancelled off, and you will get the final answer as a number or fraction or decimal in the end.